Hello, welcome to our drawing and coloring video. Today, we're going to transform the letter B into a series of amazing drawings that all start with this special letter. First, let's start with a balloon. Can you imagine a big, bright balloon floating in the sky? Don't forget to color it with your favorite bright and cheerful colors. Maybe red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, gray, or purple. Next, let's move on to some delicious blueberries. We'll draw small, round blueberries next to the letter B. They're easy to draw, just little circles. Add a tiny star shape at the top of each one and color them with a deep, rich blue. Don't forget to add light color to look a little bit real. fresh leaves. These berries look so juicy and fresh. After that, let's create a strong and mighty bison. Add a large head with horns and shaggy mane. Bison are often brown, so use shades of brown and dark brown to give it a realistic look. Now, what about the beautiful bird? The top loop of the letter B can become the bird's head. Add wings, a beak, and a tail to bring the bird to life. Use bright colors to make your bird look vibrant and happy. I choose light green and yellow. What about a sweet banana? It's long and slightly curved, just like a real banana. Add some details, like the stem at the top and maybe some spots to make it look ripe. Color it in a vibrant yellow, and don't forget to make it look shiny and delicious. Finally, let's end with the letter B. Let's rearrange the image we have created. And it's done! Quotes for today. It's never too late to start over. Every moment is an opportunity to grow and become the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in next video. Bye-bye.